Outgunned and outfought by African Union and Somali government troops, Al-Shabaab is in retreat, heading east in a hurry. The joint force is in pursuit. Along the way, evidence of a panicked withdrawal from the front line. The joint force says it's had major gains in its mission to secure a strategic corridor to the capital, Mogadishu. The offensive, called Operation Free Shabelle, was stepped up 2 days ago as the joint force swept into villages 13 kilometers from the capital. It's said to be the largest offensive to be conducted since Al-Shabaab withdrew from the capital late last year. The troops plan to cross into Afgooye, an Al-Shabaab stronghold, in the next few hours.
Our intention is to get the whole of Lower Shabelle, that is Middle Shabelle and Lower Shabelle. These are areas of Mecca, Afgooye and Balad, and subsequently connect to Baidoa. This is the mission.
The town's long been a stronghold of the armed group. It's at a strategic junction for the south, west, and north of the country. All the while, the people who live here stay bolted inside their homes, too scared to come out and risk being caught in the crossfire.
The combined team of Ugandan forces and troops from the transitional federal government of Somalia began their mission to flush out Al-Shabaab militia from their stronghold in Afgooye on Tuesday night. They engaged the militia in a fierce gun battle using armored tanks and mortars. By Wednesday morning, Afgooye town had come under the control of Amisom and TFG troops. Afgooye town gave Al-Shabaab fighters easy access to the capital, Mogadishu. The town is 30 kilometers northwest of Mogadishu and lies on a strategic crossroads for routes to the north, west and south of Somalia. Afgooye was Al-Shabaab's second most important stronghold after Kismayo in the south. The town has allowed the militants opportunity to mount frequent attacks in the capital Mogadishu, despite having been flushed out of its bases there by Amisom troops last August. The amount of firepower used was awesome, and nothing was left to chance as the soldiers combed the bushes for any Al-Shabaab militant that could be hiding. 8 militants were killed and 60 others injured in the battle. The soldiers also captured Afgooye Bridge on River Shabelle from the Al-Shabaab. The African Union forces avoided using the main road linking Mogadishu to Afgooye. That stretch of land, known as the Afgooye Corridor, is home to up to 400,000 people who have fled years of fighting and are now living in makeshift camps. Today, Amisom spokesman Lieutenant Colonel Paddy Ankunda sent a message saying Al-Shabaab fighters were fleeing toward Kismayo in the south, where they expect to be under fire from Kenyan soldiers who are in charge of that territory. Patrick Amimo, KTN Prime.
Aku Hoy laga orane